Hello, it's LMTX. Today I will talk about the MQTT Topic Alias, a new property introduced in MQTT version 5. The MQTT protocol was designed to support messaging in low bandwidth scenarios. By using the MQTT Topic Alias, we can reduce the required bandwidth even further. A topic alias is an integer value that is used to identify the topic instead of using the topic name. This reduces the size of the published packet and is useful when topic names are long and we are working with extremely limited bandwidth. The sender decides to use topic alias and sets the integer value, which together with the topic name creates the topic alias mapping that's going to be used in further communication. Once the topic alias mapping is set, the sender can omit topic name in further communication, and client which subscribe to this topic will receive messages. Please remember that the topic alias mapping is alive only for current connection, so if connection is dropped, you need to set up the topic alias mapping once again. Let's use Mosquito Broker to use this functionality in practice. Let's start the Mosquito Broker on our local laptop. Then we are going to subscribe to the topic that we want to monitor. Let's say a temp topic. I will enable debug messages so we can see what's going on under the hood. Now let's connect from the client side. We are going to publish to the same topic and set the topic alias mapping. Let's use value 1. I will enable the debug messages once again. And we'll send messages from the standard input, so we've got more control over the session. We've got publisher and subscriber connected to our MQTT broker. Let's send first message. The message was sent to the temp topic. Now let's send another message. As you can see, the message was actually sent to the null topic. But the receiver was able to get this message from the broker because of the topic alias mapping that we created. That concludes my short presentation of the topic alias, a new property introduced in MQTT version 5. I hope that was interesting for you. Feel free to reach out in case of any questions. All the best, LMTX.